Mix coffee and baking soda and watch what happens. Start by taking about half a cup of baking soda and placing it in a container. Baking soda works by neutralizing acids and bases, effectively eliminating odors at the source. Let me know which city you're watching this video from, and I'll give you a shout out in my next upload. Next, add an equal amount of coffee powder. Coffee contains compounds that absorb and mask unpleasant smells, leaving behind a rich, earthy aroma. You can also use leftover coffee grounds just waiting for a second use. Now, mix these two ingredients together. The baking soda will neutralize those pesky odors, while the coffee grounds will add a pleasant, earthy scent to mask any lingering smells. You might be wondering what this is for. Let's face it, sometimes our fridges can smell less than pleasant. Spoiled food, leftover takeout, or that mystery container at the back can leave our refrigerator feeling like a science experiment gone wrong. By placing this mixture in your refrigerator, it will absorb odors throughout the entire appliance. This simple combination not only eliminates existing odors, but also prevents new ones from building up.